Hello,
Early morning. Today we're gonna spend the whole day in UBUD. Welcome to your daily dose of Bali.
First things first, let's refill the tank. One hour and 30 minutes on the bike. We finally arrived on Canto Lampo waterfall. Let's check it. One of the most touristic waterfalls here in UBUD, and it seems to be really crowded by the number of cars here. There's an entry fee of 20,000 rupees, like $1.20. Now let's go down the stairs. I think it's gonna be a long way down. Yeah, it's crazy busy here. There's even a line to get to the waterfall, and then people are taking pictures for Instagram. Yeah, the place is beautiful, but come on, Instagram took over the world in a way that, like, here it's the queue to take the pictures there, so everybody keeps waiting, and I feel like nobody even enjoys the waterfall for real. Everybody just wants to go there, take the pic for the gram. So good. The fall is strong. Almost like enjoying a massage on my back. So good. It's so nice to cross these more authentic parts of Bali on the bike. You can see it's not all like Canggu or even UBUD. There's still a lot to be developed, or not. Maybe it's there if it's not developed. Just keep the old Balinese vibe. I love it. Bye. Hello. Hello. We arrived in Tukadzepung waterfall. It's the second stop of the day, and here it seems to be even more crowded. And to get in here, there's a fee of 15,000 rupees, or $1. It's a long and steep way down, and now we're gonna get in the cave to go to the waterfall. The main waterfall is at the point, and it's beautiful. And we got here just in time for the sun to hit the cave. Nasi goreng pit stop here at the waterfall.